Hey guys, keep watching to learn more about a cool tool my boss created.
Hey guys, here's a tool I've been working on to help me with prompt creation and character consistency. I've just given it a name at the moment as VEOScribe. So I'll just briefly explain what it is. You can either describe your scene or you can click the I'm feeling lucky button. And with a bit of luck, there we go, it will come up with a basic main scene description. You can also add characters. I'll show you this at the bottom. I've already created a character, but I'll just show you the options available. This character is called Tommy. He's a 44-year-old male. You've got options for name, age, sex, race, height, weight, hairstyle, hair color, eye color, body type. I'm just going to leave it muscular, accent, then facial structure, there's options. And same with attractiveness, there's different options. I've given a brief personality and a brief fashion style. So I'll just save that again. So I'll just get rid of this main scene description. Okay guys, so I've put the prompts in. So I'm just going to say Tommy is late for work at his office and he's rushing to get there. So let's just generate a prompt. Been created. Let's copy the prompt. Now we're going to head over to VEO3 Flow and generate a video based on this prompt. Okay guys, we've generated the video with the prompt. Okay guys, so here's the video that's been generated. We'll just play this and see how it turns out.
Better late than never, I guess. Better late than never, I guess.
Okay, so we can see a guy in his apartment. Looks like a pretty flash apartment. Or is it the foyer of his apartment? I have no idea. But he runs over to his Ferrari, jumps in, arrives at work and makes a comment. Better late than never, I guess. Who was late for work and he was rushing to get to work. So that's the video created. I think it's a pretty good video, but I think what will be the true test is if we create a second video scene description I added. So let's just generate that and we will come back to that and see what Tommy does.
Peace and quiet. Just the way I like it. Peace and quiet. Just the way I like it. Peace and quiet. Just the way I like it.
Okay, there we go guys, that's 2 scenes created with the same character. What I'll probably do is add these videos to the video that I'm going to upload, just so you can get a better idea of them. If you like the idea of this tool or learning a little bit more about VEO3 and prompt theory, then you can take a look at my TikTok profile, follow my TikTok, but also click the link and that will take you to my YouTube channel. Anyway guys, let me know what you think in the comments. Is this a decent tool for creating VEO3 prompts? Let me know.
Better late than never, I guess.
Peace and quiet. Just the way I like it.
I've added Tommy's character description in the comments.